Hello, today I'm going to be going over integration by parts using the Coverup method. So let's get to it. The problem that I'm going to be going over today is the integral of 1 over x squared minus 4x minus 21. So the first thing that we have to do is split up the denominator by factoring it. So we get 1 over x plus 3 times 1 over x minus 7. And when doing integration by parts, we write this by a over x plus 3 plus b over x minus 7. So the first thing that we're going to do in the cover-up method is pretend like we're blocking out one of these terms. So say we are looking at a. What are we going to do is we're going to cover up a, and we're going to try to find the value of x that makes the denominator of a equal to 0. So in this case, we're going to let x equal to -3, because -3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Then the next thing that we're going to do is that since we're solving for a, we're going to look at b's denominator and set a equal to 1 over x minus 7. Then we're going to plug in our x value here of -3, and we get 1 over -3 minus 7 is equal to 1 over -10. So now we're going to do the same thing for b. I'll do a different color here. So we're going to try to find what value in b's denominator will make the denominator equal 0. So x in this case will have to be 7. So we're solving for b, and we're going to have b equal to 1 over x plus 3. And we plug in our value for x here. And for this we get 1 over 3 plus 7, and we get positive 1/10. So the next thing we have to do now is set up our integral like we had from earlier up here. So it's the integral of a over x plus 3 plus b over x plus 7. And then when we're plugging in our values of a and b, we get -1/10 over x plus 3 and positive 1/10 over x minus 7. And I split up the integrals here to make it easier to solve. So when we're solving these integrals individually, we can pull out the constants. And after we do this, it's simply just pulling out the -1/10 here and the positive 1/10 and solving the integral of 1 over x plus 3 in this first integral and the integral of 1 over x minus 7. So a known integration formula is that the integral of 1 over x is ln of the absolute value of x. So keeping this in mind, we can apply this to our own problem here. So we know that the integral of 1 over x plus 3 is the ln of x plus 3. And same goes for 1 over x minus 7. So this could be our final answer, and some people may accept it like this, but we could simplify this even further. This could actually also be equal to 1/10 ln of x minus 7 over x plus 3, plus the constant c here. So this is using the logarithm formula of log a minus log b is also equal to log of a over b. Okay, I hope this helped.